Hello students, welcome to this online tutorial. Myself Vimal Sojitra. Today we are going to learn about computer. We will start chapter number 1, a computer. In that we will cover up the topic like physical efforts and mental efforts, functions of a computer and different parts of a computer. So let's start the first topic, physical effort and mental effort. What is physical effort? Any work that we do with our hands or legs are called physical efforts. For example, if you are running around in a park, you are using your legs. So we can say it's a physical effort. In our daily life, we use different machines to reduce our physical efforts. Machines like iron, vacuum cleaner, washing machines, etc. saves our time and energy. Machines helps us to do our work quickly and easily. So in short, we can say we are using machines to reduce our physical efforts. What is mental effort? Any work that is challenging to brain is called mental effort. For example, in school, if you are doing a sum, you are using your brain, means we can say it's a mental effort. So to reduce our physical and mental effort both, we are using different types of machines such as calculators and computers are used to reduce our both these efforts. Now, what is computer? Computer is an electronic machine that is made of different parts like keyboard, mouse, monitor, CPU, printer. Computer is also machine, but unlike other common machines like washing machine, refrigerator, TV, mixer, they have only particular tasks to do, but computers can do different types of work. That's why it is also called a smart machine. This is because of its special qualities. Now we will learn functions of computer. There are three main functions of a computer, that is input, process and output. What is input? Data entered into computer is called input. Data could be numbers, letters or pictures. In short, we can say data entered in a computer, it can be anything, is known as input. Next is process. When the computer works on input data, it is called processing. And what is output? Information given by computer after processing is called output. Output can be seen on monitor or printed on paper. So we can say a computer is made of different parts, and to perform these functions, a computer uses different devices to input, to process and to output. So which are they? Let's understand parts of computer. If we want to enter data into computer, we are having input devices. There are most of two devices which are most commonly used, that is keyboard and mouse. After processing, output devices displays the result. Output devices are monitor and printer. And to process the data, we are having processing unit, means CPU. So let's start with input devices. Keyboard and mouse are most commonly used input devices. When you want to enter anything into computer, you can use any of these. First we will learn keyboard. Keyboard is flat rectangular box. It has many keys on it. Like it has number keys to write numbers like 0 to 9. It has letter keys to write words or sentences starting from A to Z. Spacebar key is used to put space between letters or words. Enter key is used to go to the next line. Apart from these keys, there are some also special keys. Like arrow keys are used to move the cursor up, down, left or right. Backspace keys and delete key are used to erase a character, but the difference is that backspace key is used to erase a character to the left of the cursor, and delete key is used to erase a character from the right of cursor. Next, shift key and caps lock key are used to type capital letters. So as per the requirement, we can use all the keys while we are entering information into a computer. Next input device is mouse. Mouse is small plastic device. We can hold mouse with our palm. It has 2 or 3 buttons on it. That is left mouse button, right mouse button, and there is one scroll button in between. Mouse is kept on mouse pad. When you move the mouse on the mouse pad, the small arrow on the monitor will also move. This arrow is called mouse pointer. When you move the mouse from left to right, the arrow on the monitor will also move from left to right. Or if you move the mouse up or down, the arrow on the monitor will also move up or down. So in this way, when you move the mouse on the mouse pad, the mouse pointer will also move. The mouse is connected to computer with the help of cable. So these two devices are used as input devices. Now output devices. The most common devices used for output are monitor and printer. Let's start with monitor. Monitor is also known as VDU. It means Visual Display Unit. It looks like TV screen. Whatever you type using keyboard will be displayed on monitor. So we can say the output displayed on monitor is known as soft copy output. Next one is printer. Printer is used to print your output on paper. Nowadays there are different types of printers available, such as black and white printers prints in black and white format. Color printer prints color format, and laser printers are also there that uses laser beam technology. So in short, if you want to display output on screen, you can use monitor, and if you want to print your output on paper, you can use printer. So these two devices are most commonly used output devices. Next one is processing unit. When you enter data onto computer will make process in processing unit, that is CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is the most important part of computer. It is also called brain of the computer. It not only stores our data but also process our data. So we can say, after processing, if you want your data to be stored for future purpose, it will be stored in CPU. So these parts of computer are used to perform functions of a computer. So now you can know what is physical efforts and mental efforts. You also know which are the functions of computer. After that, we learn parts of computer, the devices which are responsible to enter data are input devices. The devices which are responsible to display output are output devices, and the device used for processing is processing unit, that is CPU. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you. Now, after watching this video, you can easily solve this exercise. The first one is fill in the blanks. The first blank is any work that we do with our hands or legs is called. You have to give answer which effort. Next one, doing some is a blank effort. Next, running is a blank effort. Next is data entered into a computer is called blank. Next, the keyboard is which type of device. Next, the blank is used to print on paper. Which device is used? Next, the blank is the processing unit. The second question is, you have to name the following. You have to give the answer. First of all, any two names of input devices. Next, any two names of output devices. And in last, which are the functions of computer. So these all are about chapter 1 computer. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.